gangster movie, Denzel Washington. Freaking
I'll tell you what's about that. The
Best gangster TV show ever created.
Honestly?
For me?
Sesame Street. Yeah, Sesame Street is a classic.
Best TV show. It's the best documentary ever created. Ever created.
Best documentary?
Oh,
The one that said
Okay. The God is a big term for the public.
Any
Any sort of psychoactive substance, the God is a temporary water. What Einstein would do would doze off. And this is what Einstein and Hendrix used to do a lot. He used to explore something called power hypnosis. His power hypnosis. Because if the brain transitions from different brain states, from the deep delta state, the theta state, back to the alpha, while it's transitioning, you may not be able to.
Aren't you filming me?
How's this boy? How's your boy now?
I really like it. I like the texture. I like how it's not ironed. It's not supposed to be ironed. Significance. What is it? What's
Gangster movie, Denzel Washington. Freaking Training Day with Denzel Washington.
Best gangster. What's the best TV show ever created?
Honestly, for me, it's Sesame Street. Yeah, Sesame Street is a classic.
What's the best TV show? It's the best documentary ever created. Ever created.
And Rayman with the Dustin Hoffman.
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about Diddy.
Blindside?
Okay.
Classic. On a true story. Denzel playing Frank Lucas.
Beautiful Mind and Rayman with the Dustin Hoffman.
Escape from Alcatraz is good.
This is so beautiful that I don't even want to stop you. This is almost 2 minutes, but fuck it, whatever. This is so good.
I made it short up.
It's the best documentary ever created. Ever created.
And Rayman with the Dustin Hoffman.
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about